If you like really good coffee, you shouldn't miss these tips. Hi, I'm John from Switzerland, and today I've got 4 simple tips for you for really good coffee. Tip number 1. Buy your coffee from a roasting house where the beans are roasted in a drum, preferably fresh every day. The coffee is more expensive, but also tastes much better. Tip number 2. Always buy coffee beans and grind the portion you need immediately before preparing it. For the grinding, you can either use a hand mill or an electric one. If you are using an electric one, make sure that you can adjust the grinding degree continuously. Tip number 3. The proper storage. Coffee likes it dark and dry, so the best method to store your coffee is a coffee can. I prefer the coffee cans from Coffee Gator, which are available in many different colors and sizes. The little one here is fine for 250 grams and the big one for 500 grams. Tip number 4. Find the right type of preparation for you, either with a professional machine, a moka pot, a filter coffee machine, or with a pour-over method. I prefer the classical pour-over method with a Chemex can, but in order to save resources and avoid garbage, I use the stainless steel permanent filter instead of the paper filters. Thanks for watching, subscribing and commenting. Until we meet again, bye, says John from Switzerland.